grass pepper, and this is lovely Wednesday, the 1st of the 10th. As you can see, we're at the Cairns City Library, which is near Bailey's, just across from Faux, just from Flynn's, Crystal Brook. It's beautiful to come down here. They got rid of all the bats and stuff, so you don't have to worry about that. You've got lovely ice cream shop over there. Bailey's here. CC's Bars and Grill. It's a beautiful day down here on corner Abbott Street and Apple Street. It's roughly 27 degrees, light breeze. So you got the Bailey's on the left, Trilogy on the right. We go past Novotel. And we're on our way to lovely our version of SeaWorld here in Cairns. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Just finished work. Short day today. Here's the other entrance to Novotel, where you do need your card when you're staying here to get in. You got the Australian Bookkeeping Company across the road. Bullamajara. Lovely art centre where you can see all the Indigenous art. You got Doubletree by Hilton. As you can see, walking along here is quite pleasurable. It didn't take him long to get a new restaurant put in here. So Dundee's couldn't sustain it, so they've now got a new restaurant in here called Square's Loft. So we've got Square's Loft, we've got their lovely menu, and Square's Loft, we take a left turn, you'll see the Ramada on the right hand side, and then next to Square's Loft, you always see garbage bins and recycle bins everywhere. We're in Cairns. You got the Cairns Aquarium. As you can see, it gets quite busy on a hot day. And that's how you get to Cairns Aquarium. Right across the road you have the Chinese treasure restaurant. They are now doing yum cha. Right behind you. As you can see, there's quite a lot of stuff along here. outside to explain what goes on inside. Got a beautiful time of the year. All the flowers flowering. Can't get much better than springtime. So that's where you can see where we're at. It's a lovely place to come and enjoy, especially this time of the year. Young Cha special, $18.90 for choices of 3 meals. Got the airplane flights coming on in. And I'm Grass Pepper. Thank you.